The Cadillac Lyriq 2023 is without a doubt one of the most gorgeous automobiles built in a long time. The all-electric SUV made its premiere on September 18, ushering in a new era for the American luxury carmaker. These are the top 5 features of the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq that we suggest buyers look for. The 2023 Cadillac Lyriq's performance and feature set are directly similar to those of top-tier Tesla vehicles. It may be a competitor. The first modern Cadillac EV is packed with Easter eggs and one-of-a-kind features geared at luring buyers away from rivals who are ready to go electric. Here are my top 10 reasons why I prefer the Cadillac Lyriq to other electric vehicles. This upmarket SUV is available in RWD and AWD configurations and is powered by GM's Ultium technology. The Lyriq is likely to wow drivers with its extended driving range and cutting-edge amenities such as a large touchscreen, smartphone connectivity, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. This is Lyriq Media, where information is key and accuracy is paramount. We keep you up to date on the most recent information and breaking news about the EV Lyriq Cadillac and other forthcoming EVs from the Cadillac brand. So whether you're a fan or owner of these electric vehicles, there's a place for you on our channel. We work as a family. We listen to your feedback in the comments area and develop all of the necessary videos with the knowledge you need to stay current in the EV business. If you're new here, please subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell to stay up to speed on our latest stuff. We'll go through the top 10 features of the Cadillac Lyriq in this video. Let's get started. Starting with our number 10 on the list, we have the Cadillac Lyriq's grille with 50 LEDs and a welcome signature. Cadillac puts on quite a light show with the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq, greeting the driver with a synchronized, dynamic sequence of 50 LEDs upon approach. It emphasizes the new flagship crossover's all-electric character. As the driver approaches the Lyriq, 2 light dots appear on the vertical side. It begins with Cadillac's new monochrome grille progressively lighting up, with the Lyriq being the first to do so. This is followed by lines at the bottom of the grille that light up sequentially from the center, out to the outside, and up to the top. The lights then cascade back down into the daytime running lights as they fill up from the top as dots that merge into a solid stripe as they move across the extremely narrow turn signals right beneath the hood line. This is topped off with a series of vertical LED headlights that seemingly drop in from bottom to top until all 9 beams are lit. Cadillac chief designer Andrew Smith characterizes the new Lyriq as a complex animation pattern in the automaker's announcement video. It's all part of the new Cadillac Lyriq's light show. The lights are pushed to the outside to fill in the grille, then back down to fill in the taillights. We have, as number 9, ultra-fast charging. What is the charging time for a Cadillac Lyriq? It depends on the type of EV charging you use. There are now 3 types of EV charging available: home charging, home fast charging, and public charging. What are the charging options available for Lyriq? Charging at home with a regular outlet. Most home chargers are powered by a 3-prong 110V or 120V charging outlet, with level 1 charging available. These aren't the quickest chargers available, but they're ideal for overnight charging in Lakeland. Professionally installed brand-approved domestic charging. A professionally installed level 2 charger employs quick, often 240V plus, chargers to charge your car far faster than a standard grounded household outlet. DC fast chargers supposed to AC chargers are also widely available. Public charging stations. Public charging stations may be located in malls, restaurants, rotary shops, hotels, and other locations across Brandon, making it simple to charge on the go. In addition, because these are typically level 2 chargers, your battery can be recharged in minutes to hours. Cadillac Lyriq charging duration by charger type. What are the Cadillac Lyriq charge times now that you know more about electric car charging options? They will vary depending on the type of charger used, but the timing is quite fast. Examine the following Cadillac Lyriq charging times. Home charging. With a 19.2 kilowatts charger, the new Lyriq can be charged in under 5 hours at home. DC level 2 charging. The Lyriq can charge at up to 190 kilowatts, extending its range by 76 miles in just 10 minutes. Its range may reach up to 195 miles in 30 minutes, which is more than enough to bring you back home to Bardo. Number 8. Hands-free Super Cruise. Super Cruise uses cutting-edge technology to provide hands-free driving as well as additional standard features such as lane change, automatic emergency braking, forward collision detection, rear park assist, and pedestrian braking. Adaptive cruise control, reverse automatic braking, side bicycle alert, and other advanced safety technologies are available. Dynamic management is sixth on the list. Because of the Ultium battery pack integrated in the floor, the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq features an extremely low center of gravity and superb weight distribution. As a result, it handles like a dream. The electric powertrain's 325 pound-feet of instant torque is a huge plus. Number 5, excellent range. The 2023 Cadillac Lyriq beats many of its competitors because of its 102 kilowatt-hours Ultium battery pack and lone electric engine, which allow it to go 312 miles before needing to be recharged. Onboard DC fast charging adds to the extraordinarily rapid battery charge. Additionally, charging at home is a possibility. The Lyriq could go approximately 76 miles in 10 minutes with DC quick charging. The 19.2 kilowatts onboard charger, which is available as an option, is one of the industry's quickest chargers. The 2023 Cadillac Lyriq is expected to earn 92 mpg in the city and 82 mpg on the highway. Fourth on the list is aggressive regenerative braking. The Lyriq provides one of the most intuitive driving experiences accessible today, and like most of its competitors in the industry, offers many modes of regenerative braking. The Lyriq may be driven purely with the gas pedal when the region is set to its most severe level. When you take your foot off the throttle, the car decelerates smoothly and without jerking. The 17 front and 18 rear ventilated rotors ensure that there is no triple shedding when performing harsh braking at high speeds. Despite its huge curb weight of 5,688 pounds, the SUV seems stable and the nosedive is quite minor. At number 3, we have a quick powertrain. The 2023 Cadillac Lyriq is available in both single-motor RWD and dual-motor AWD configurations, with the latter arriving on sale early the following year. Both of the lower-priced versions are powered by a single engine that produces 340 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque. The 1-speed automatic and RWD drivetrain allow it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds and achieve a peak speed of 118 miles per hour. However, the 500 up tuning of the twin electric motor version will make it quite appealing. So those looking for more performance should go for this variation when it is released in early 2023. Number 2, the infotainment system isn't intuitive. The 33-inch continuous curved OLED panel heaped onto the dashboard is one of the best displays discovered on a commercial automobile. It boasts several features like Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Wi-Fi hotspot connectivity, and a 19-speaker AKG music system, as well as remarkable brightness and touch sensitivity. Despite the fact that the infotainment system has a lot going for it, we found the user interface to be a touch glitchy. Furthermore, some of the options and capabilities are not always easily accessible. The click wheel in the center console, on the other hand, makes it easy for the driver to use the infotainment system. The AKG audio system provides, without a doubt, the best sound quality in its class. At number 1, a driving demeanor. Despite the fact that the suspension layout may not be very comfortable for the occupants, the driving experience is significantly superior to that of cars like the XC40 Recharge and EQB. The outstanding accuracy and well-linked steering provide the driver with complete confidence. When thrown into a tight bend, the automobile handles relatively level and has excellent high-speed stability due to its high center of gravity. We were particularly impressed with the great grip and low body roll. The huge curb weight has little effect on driving manners. When thrown into a tight bend, the automobile handles relatively level and has excellent high-speed stability due to its high center of gravity. What makes you love the Cadillac Lyriq? Let us know in the comment section below. Do you find the video interesting? If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you hadn't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads.